All right, welcome back, my awesome students. So let's continue building this thank you page or order page um, with Stripe. All right, so let's just make sure that we have some code in here because right now we don't have anything. And let's just say this with a class of container, and I think we are using in this project Bootstrap 3, but you can use whatever Bootstrap you want. But I think that's what we're using. It really doesn't matter. I think they call this Heroes now, or they have something similar than Jumbotron. I used to like Jumbotron in Bootstrap 3, but I think they removed it in Bootstrap 4 and 5. So, okay, and this is gonna say, let's just put it here. Thank you. Let's see. There we go. And that does not look like it's straight in the middle. Maybe if I do, it should be in the middle with Jumbotron. I don't know why it's not. Maybe I'm spelling it correctly. Jumbotron. No, I can just do a class of Touch Center here. And I can put it there. All right. Perfect. At least we have some data now. So the next step for us, something that I want to do in here is I want to be able to, once the order is created and session is completed and they are taken to this area here, I want it to be able to delete. We have to unset the variables here because we don't want them to come back after payment, come back to the website and still see this in the cart, right? So we need to unset this, and I'm gonna use a little different functionality here because I want you guys to learn something else. Okay, simple as that. So I'm gonna do a for each. I'm gonna loop through the session, very similar to what we did, but just a little bit different here. Watch. So we're gonna loop through the session names and values, keys and values, and we're gonna say, well, if the str, which is a function in PHP, starts with the name that's equal to product underscore, just like that. Remember, that's how we build our cart. We're gonna have to unset it. Okay, and we're gonna unset the session, whatever that session is, by using it like this. Okay, simple. Remember that this variable here is gonna be equal to this specific session. And then here, what I wanna do is I wanna unset the rest and copy this, but it's gonna be item total. I don't want none of the sessions available, but the one for logging in, I want it available. So that's why I'm not calling session destroy, because I can just destroy every session here if I wanted to with session destroy, with the session destroy function. But I don't want to do that because I want to be able to log in, right? And the checkout, I think is the checkout. I think we already checkout session ID. This is the, let me see, session ID. Yeah, right here. Okay, we want to be able to make sure we destroy that as well. Okay, so now I shouldn't get anything in the cart. Let's go and test this out. And this is a lot of testing, guys, if you notice, okay? Because we want to make sure that our application is working. If you have any issues, you know that you can contact us in this class through the lectures. Alrighty, and Maria Gonzalez. I don't know if I'm spelling it correctly. Okay, taking us to that thank you page. We have that in there, and then we have We go to checkout, there's nothing on checkout. We got to work with this button here too, not to show it. Okay. On the next lecture, we are going to, customize this a little more, so that way we can get some information from Stripe and put it here, just to make it a little bit more personal to the user. See you in the next lecture.